Hello, viewers, my loving students. Hello, everyone. How are you? I am Sarva Shiksha. I am going to teach you today about vocabulary, grammar, composition, or arrangement of sentence by only four words, which is specially used in Britain. In India, in Assam, we have not used these words, but very attractive word, but very meaningful words, but very effective words. So, I am going to teach you that very four words. But what is these four words? We have already received some words, and we are also see, you are to think, you should make preparation regarding vocabulary. That means you should know a huge number of words in case of speaking English fluently or to learn spoken English fluently. So this is a number one tips to know the vocabulary. Means the stock of words, the stock of phrases, the stock of group verbs. These kinds of vocabulary and words, grammar, composition, these are all included when we used to speak English fluently or we used to speak English correctly. Now, this day, we are going to learn only four words. Number one, let me start the word early bird. You have seen that in the morning, different kinds of birds in our locality. We have seen different kinds of birds are flying in the dawn, in the early morning. So, a man who wakes up very early in the morning, he is called early bird. So we should have the habit of early bird. We should have the character of early bird. We should make ourselves early bird. Means we should wake up early in the morning. So early bird means a person who wakes up very morning, very dawn in the daytime. Means a man who wakes up early in the morning. This is called early bird. The very good word, early bird. This is a Britain word, early bird. So next we should come to start our number two word, daydreamer. Daydreamer means a person, a man who imagine, who fancies, who imagines various things for working day. And he start various things for working, but they may not be finished, may not be completed. But he fancies, he plans many things. It takes many jobs in hand, but whether he can finish it or whether he can complete it, there is no guarantee. That kind of person is called dreamer. Means he wants to do everything of this world, but he cannot finish anything completely. He is dreamer. And the number 3, very good word, Sutterbox, Sutterbox, Sutterbox. What is the meaning of Sutterbox? Sutterbox means a person, a man, a boy, a girl who speak many things, many story, cook and bird story, but there may not be any reference of his speaking in any time. Whether it is true, whether it is false, whether it is connective, whether it is referential, there is no any judgment in his mind. He continuously speaks many things regarding agriculture, regarding education, regarding story, regarding religious story, regarding politics. He speaks everything to satisfy others. But he does not know what is the effect, what is the outcome from these things, from this lecture, from these speeches. Means he speaks many things without any reasons. He is called Satarabox. So a man who speaks many things without any cause, without any reference, he is called Satarabox. And the last number 4. This is a very effective, very referential word in our daily life, for developing our habits. Coarse potato. Coarse potato. Potato means alu. Coarse means gadi. বিলাসপূর্ণ গাড়ি অর্থাৎ বিলাসপূর্ণ গাড়ি coarse potato, a person, a boy who does not do anything, only he fancy, only he make amusement, make entertainment, make some fun. It is his duty. But he does not work, he does not read, he does not laugh, he does not do any very beautiful, very essential things or very essential job in his life. Only he make entertainment, only he make amusement in his life. So he is called coarse potato.